This is the Quartzite Storm Gold, one of our best sellers. Hi, I'm Fred Shandrock. I'm one of the founders of StoneMall. Matterhorn leather, it's a dolomite. Most of the people be using for bathrooms. It have a very beautiful texture. This is our Cristalo. Material translucent, most of the people use it with the lights. It's better to work like dimmable. So if you think it's too much light, you can always control. One of the quartzite, that's Louis Blue, one of the most difficult materials to find in the market. It has these colors with a very beautiful variations, like between blues and reds. Beautiful. It is actually art. Agatha Blue is a natural material, so those all natural semi-pressed stone. The most important thing for us is customer service. We have everything in stock. We guarantee the material is going to be delivered the same day or next day. Come and check us out at www.stonemallusa.com.